We have delamination on the deck, and here we are filling in the voids with very expensive epoxy, which is a great solution. Now the deck isn't creaking anymore, but we created another problem with the dinghy of voids and delamination of the fiberglass from the dinghy. So I wasn't going to keep that like that. I ground it all off. The problem with grinding was it just kind of made the grooves of the dinghy wobbly. There's cracks along all of the chines or all of the ribs of the dinghy in the first place.